Welcome to the Explainer. We're going to break down the core logic that powers all the apps you use.
It all kicks off with a simple decision, like when you go to log in somewhere.
The secret sauce here? It's called conditional logic. It's how software basically makes up its mind.
Yeah, think of it like a fork in the road for information. It gives the program a choice.
The basic idea is, if this is true, do one thing, else do something else.
Okay, let's make this real. A perfect example? Checking if you're old enough to vote.
The program starts by asking a question. Is the person's age under 18? Now let's say someone puts in their age is 19. So, is 19 less than 18? Well, obviously the answer is no, and that's key. The app now skips the if path and jumps to the else instructions.
So check this out. These are the only two ways this can go. And because that if statement was false for age 19, it had to follow the else path. Just think of else as the computer's default plan. It's the backup.
Okay, so how does this all tie back to that login screen we talked about?
Well, the app asks a very similar question. Is this password correct? You type in the wrong password. The answer to that question is no. So the app just completely skips the instruction to let you in. Instead, it follows its else path, which is, you guessed it, showing an error.
And there it is again, the exact same pattern. One question, two totally different outcomes.
This super simple if-else idea? It's literally the building block for decisions everywhere.
You see it in video games, right? Game over? Or even an umpire's call. Out or safe?
So now you know the secret. What other if-then choices are you going to notice today?